Hello, hello, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how to create an engaging video using HumanPal. Okay, uh, remember the most important saving time, being fast, and create professional and captivating videos. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you that I have asked the check this out here. I have asked here the ChatGPT create a video script following the AIDA rule promoting this offer. It's about this offer about the Black Friday. Uh, and each sentence should be less than 100 characters. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Ask viewers to click the link in the description and find out more. Do not point or highlight the AIDA sections. And you see that I have already a nice script over here. I'm gonna just copy all of it. I'm gonna copy all of this script, and I'm gonna move here. I'm gonna select one of the let's select the box texts like box reveal like this one, and let's move on. Next, we're gonna select here how it's gonna show the box revealed. This one is nice, and we're gonna move here. I'm gonna select the lady that we want, or the guy that we want to advertise our product, and we're gonna see here we have so many nice avatars, and I'm gonna select ether. Okay, I'm gonna select ether with this formal, or we can select even this guy, this James casual. Okay, let's select this guy to change a little, and I'm gonna move forward. I'm gonna paste here the script, but I'm gonna have to change it a little because it has some instructions inside. I'm gonna remove this, leave just the voiceovers, you see. I'm gonna remove even this one. I'm gonna remove this one just to leave only the voiceovers. All the other are instructions from the AI, just to what to show and how to use it. But I'm gonna just keep the voiceovers everywhere, you see. That's nice, and we are done. Now I'm gonna select the voice. I want to have the guy to be excited.
Hello! You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
Okay, this is
I can convey your message with a realistic
Davis.
voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience.
Let's select Jason,
Hello. You
Hello.
and this is
You can
Tony,
pick.
Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for
and
your
this is
next
Guy.
project.
Let's see Guy.
I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that Hello. You Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project. I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience. Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
Okay,
I can convey your message with a realistic Hello! You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project. I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience.
okay. I think cheerfully it's the best choice. I'm gonna select here to enable a little bit music to background, the one that it always fits, just a little music carpet, and we move forward next. And here you're gonna see that it has already separated its scene with the text over here. I'm gonna click next. Here I'm gonna select the text color. I enjoy it and find it very relaxing to be the yellow one. and I'm gonna leave the box black. And here to upload, if I want to upload an image for my logo, I'm gonna leave the AI tool detective. Okay, and here you're gonna see that I have my guy ready. Um, the point is that I can custom HumanPal. I can select my image here, select my image, and wait to change the face so that I'm gonna look exactly like to be myself here. You see, it looks more like myself. It took my face and adapted to this avatar. It's really amazing. um, let's try something else now. I'm gonna upload one of the pictures that I created. I'm not gonna use different pictures. I'm gonna just upload the one that I created for this event, the Black Friday mega sale. I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna say that to apply to all of the slides and scenes over here. Okay, we got our video ready. It's less than 60 minutes, 60 seconds, sorry. I can create even bigger, but I don't want to, to make it long, and I just want to showcase and let people know what they're gonna earn just by buying this amazing software, the Create Studio Pro, the one that it's advertised over here. I'm gonna see that you see the picture, it's not centered here, so I'm going back to canvas here, and I'm gonna take the one that I created here. You see that now at the moment you're gonna find some more tricks with Canva. I'm gonna take this one and make it a little bit smaller and take it more to the center, okay, over here, just to have my message more clear here. Okay, I'm gonna upload this picture, so that it's gonna look better. Okay, let's export here this one. I'm gonna save again, and here I'm gonna change the photo with the one that you see, because it is hiding. It looks like it's cutting the Create Studio over there. So not just to avoid this behavior, I'm gonna take it a little bit over here. Let's do it like that, and let's say to apply to all, like that, to see what's gonna happen. You see now it's better. I click next. I click here create Studio Pro BF, and I'm gonna select the resolution 720p. I don't need to have it in a higher level resolution. I'm gonna just click create video, and I'm gonna leave it so that you're gonna see that the rendering is not taking long. You see it's already 1 second ago, and in the meantime I can show you here the AI course builder. You see one more video that I created.
Are you tired of struggling to create online courses that actually sell? Imagine turning your knowledge into profit with just a few clicks.
Yeah, I could use this mock-up. It's really, it looks better, but at the moment, because we want to focus to the message, we're doing something like that. Look at that one.
Looking for a way to create stunning 8K cinematic movies on autopilot? Imagine making professional videos without any editing skills. With AI Movie Maker, it's now possible.
You see, it really looks nice. Check this out, even the nucleus. Here another offer.
Looking to skyrocket your online earnings with zero tech hassle? Nucleus is here. Imagine owning a software business without creating, configuring, or supporting anything.
I believe you agree that all of them, they look amazing and very interesting. And check this out. It's the girl that I was about to select, so that you can see that she looks really nice to promoting and presenting.
Are you ready to create stunning videos in minutes? Within video, you can make professional videos fast. No experience? No problem. InVideo's AI does the work for you. Just enter your text, choose a template, and watch it come to life.
You see, I mostly advertise, and I'm really excited to to promote and advertise this kind of tools. It's really perfect, and I enjoy the, how much time you save creating amazing videos and communicate your message to your clients and your prospects, and that's why I'm showcasing this kind of programs. The most important advice that I always give you is use them. If you see that there is this kind of videos that you can see how you can use these tools, check these videos and ensure that this is a good fit for you. If you want to create different kind of videos, it's nice to have all those tools and buy all those tools and create sometimes create with HumanPal, sometimes create with InVideo, sometimes create with Create Studio Pro. Some other projects are more complicated, so it's gonna be better to use the Create Studio Pro. And sometimes you have to use something very fast and to create an amazing video using the Flex Clip. You're gonna see so many interesting tools to this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit this like button if you enjoy this kind of videos, and stay tuned. Now we're waiting for this rather to finish. Sometimes I need to refresh the page. Remember that, because sometimes the video might have already started rendering and you didn't notice here. But as we can see, it's been about 3 minutes past, and the video it's not rendering yet. Sometimes it takes about 5 to 6 minutes to see it totally ready. But even though you're gonna see here and notice that it says your render can take 8 to 40 minutes depending on video length. Please be patient. The point is that your video gets to on the line, and when it has to be done, it's gonna be done. But the point is that it never takes more than 15 or 20 minutes for sure. I'm not gonna it looks like we are almost 13 minutes, so I'm gonna have to pause the video, not to make it longer, but you're gonna see over here the next moment that I unpause that how much time it took to start rendering. Okay, stay tuned and watch this video. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, sorry, I wasn't checking, but I just get to the HumanPal and I see that it's been about 14 minutes that it was ready, the video. Now it's almost 27 after I connected again. We're gonna see the result
Want to
here.
create videos that wow your audience? This Black Friday, your chance to shine is here. Get Create Studio Pro, the ultimate video creation tool at an unbeatable price. With easy drag and drop features, you can create videos like a pro in no time. Choose from hundreds of...
You see, it looks perfect. I don't want to delay more. I'm gonna just download the video here, and I'm gonna drop it over here so that I can upload to YouTube straight away, and keep on going and adding to my to add it to my article. Okay, I guess it was an easy way to do the video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can even create more complicated and more lengthy if you want videos, but I believe that this nice video is gonna do the job. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you really enjoyed it, just click the like button, and if you want to keep in touch and watch more videos like that, and to know better how you can use all these kind of tools, I can just try to save you time and money, not to buy something that you don't need it, and to get something that really worth the price. Okay, this tool, HumanPal IO, is one of the tools that you're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy it, and trust me, you're gonna see that it worth every dollar that you're gonna give, because it's a one-time fee. Okay, you don't pay any monthly fees to this tool, and you just pay once and you got it forever. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.